In northern Europe, the Scandinavian peninsula stretched out to a point where the Swedish south coast merged into the Danish islands. It was 8,000 years ago when the land between Sweden and Denmark burst and the Baltic Sea became a saltwater ocean. Today the salinity stretched from 1% in the south to less than a tenth in the northern and eastern Bay Area. This brackish water, which is neither salty or sweet, makes the ecosystem in the Baltic Sea fragile and unique. Along the Finnish and Swedish coastline, an archipelago stretched out, and all an island merged them together. Thousands and thousands of islands create a maze of channels and bays. In the shallow waters of the archipelago, life is flourishing. The bladderwrack is the most important of all the seaweeds. It becomes almost like a town, where different species can find shelter, food or breeding ground. But for some, it becomes a perfect hunting area. The pike are at the top of the food chain. While the shallows are the hub of the ecosystem in the Baltic Sea, the deeper water has the quality of its own. The light is so low that no algae can grow. These silent places is home for some special species. Some will never rise shallower than 40 meters and prefer to stay around 100. But sometimes the silence is broken by the roaring sound of a ship. Not a ship that passes, but a sinking ship. The archipelago is a deadly place to be in a storm or fog. Over centuries sailing has been the main transport mode for cargo, and now and then a ship ends up at the bottom of the sea. These wrecks become sanctuary for many fish. Cod used to be a common species in the Baltic Sea, but numbers have fallen drastically because of pollution and overfishing. Fishing has traditionally been one of the main industries of the archipelago. Herring and eel fishing is still common, but even the numbers of eel are decreasing, although researchers are not sure why. The Baltic Sea is still full of life, but the ecosystem is on the edge of collapse. During the last century we have polluted the sea with heavy metals, phosphate and nitrogen. The balance is not even. Much progress toward better environmental awareness and protection has been accomplished, but there is still much work to be done. Such a fragile and beautiful place needs continuous care and attention.